You don't know what you signed up for yet. Somebody once told you plumbers make good money, and turns out they were right. So here you are. First day. On your knees under a sink that somebody else broke, holding a wrench you don't know the name of, staring at a mess you definitely did not make and cannot yet fix. The Journeyman is already 3 houses down the schedule. Your hands are wet. You're not really sure with what. Welcome to the bottom. This is every level of your life as a plumber. Level 1, apprentice, year 1. Your job is not to plumb anything. Your job is to just dig. You dig trenches. You carry pipe until your arms shake. You hold the flashlight at the exact angle the Journeyman needs and not 1 degree off. You crawl into spaces never designed for a human body, and you hand up tools. And you learn the names of fittings by getting handed the wrong one and corrected in front of everybody. You will also learn what that smell is. Every plumber remembers the first time. It is not the water. It is what's in the water. You gag once, maybe twice. Then something in your brain quietly rewires and you never gag again. Because gagging costs time and the job does not stop for your stomach. That smell lives in your memory now, not your nose. Here's what nobody tells you in year 1. Plumbing's not about pipes. Plumbing is applied physics. Water always wins. It finds every weak point, every bad joint, every shortcut somebody took 20 years ago, and it exploits all of them with infinite patience. Your job is to be smarter than water. That takes longer to learn than you think. Level 2, Journeyman. You rid systems now. You can look at a blank wall and know exactly what's running behind it. You understand slope venting and why a drain that runs perfectly flat will never actually drain. 1/4 inch per foot. That number lives in your bones. Too little and it clogs. Too much and the water outruns the solids and leaves them stranded, which is worse, which is a callback you really don't want. You understand pressure. You felt what happens when a supply line lets go with the water still on. That sudden cold spray, that half second of panic before your hands move on their own. You've stood in a basement that became a swimming pool because somebody upstream did the math wrong. You do not do the math wrong. The physical toll is real and nobody warned you. Your knees from the crawl spaces, your back from positions no spine was built for, your hands from the pipe wrenches and the cold and the chemicals. Plumbers who last are not the ones who muscle through everything. They are the ones who learn to think first and wrench second. Level 3, licensed plumber. You pass the exam. You know the code. And here's the thing about the plumbing code that almost nobody outside this trade ever thinks about. It is written in blood. Every vent, every trap, every backflow preventer exists because at some point in history, people died from getting it wrong. Cholera, sewer gas, drinking water, crossing paths with waste in a way you cannot see or taste until it is too late. The trap under your sink is not there for convenience. It is a water seal standing between you and the inside of the sewer, holding back every gas and hazard you don't want to think about. You're not just connecting pipes. You're protecting the people in that building from threats they will never know existed. You run your own work now. You pull permits. When an inspector checks your job, it passes. Because you did it right the first time, and right is faster than doing it twice. Level 4, Master Plumber. This took years, thousands of hours. An exam that covers the entire code and does not care how confident you feel walking in. The master license means you pull permits in your own name, you run jobs, you sign off. You build your own company. It also means when something floods at 2 in the morning, it is your phone that rings. You watch apprentices now the way your journeyman watched you. You let them hand up the wrong fitting once so the lesson sticks. You explain why the code says what it says, not just what it says, because a plumber who understands why will never cut the corner that matters. The clean water at every tap in that building and all the waste leaving it safely and unseen exists because someone like you built the system right. Nobody thinks about it. That is the highest compliment your work will ever get. Invisible means it works. Here's what nobody tells you before that first day under the sink. Every level of this trade has a version of that first mess. The thing you can't fix yet. The gap between what you know and what the water's doing. Apprentice, journeyman, licensed, master. Water still always wins. The difference is now you know how to make it lose anyway. You still don't know what you signed up for, but now you know exactly what you're doing. Don't forget to like and subscribe.